क्वेश्चन ऐसे ही हो सकता है, क्रिटिकली एनालाइज द assumptions of what? Debye cycle of erosion. Critically analyze the assumptions of what? So आपको सारे you have to discuss like this, clear? And then if I am talking about another word, he said that this word homogeneous lithology, this whole lithology is what? Homogeneous. इसका मतलब है कि रेट ऑफ इंटेंसिटी ऑफ एक्सोजेनिक फोर्स विल रिमेन सेम, उतना काटते जाएगा. अब छूट गया, जितना देर जितना ज्यादा टाइम उतना ही ज्यादा कटिंग. Yes or not? So he talked about what is a homogeneous lithology. Can it be possible in a given geographical? Homogeneous ही होगा. There is a strata of lithology can be there, different kind of rocks. स्ट्रक्चर का मतलब यदि आप, हाँ बोलो. अब यही तो लिथोलॉजी इसने कह दिया. आई सेड दैट लिथोलॉजी के अनुसार से बोला इन्होंने, रॉन्ग एक्सप्लेनेशन तो देखोगे. ही सेड दैट देयर इज एन होमोजेनस लिथोलॉजी, ऑल हैविंग एन होमोजेनस लिथोलॉजी, इट हैज बीन अपलिफ्टेड लाइक दिस. बट व्हाट ही सेड दैट 3 स्टेजेस ही टॉक्ड अबाउट. यहां पर ऐसे काट रहा है, यहां पर ऐसे काट रहा है, और यहां पर ऐसे काट रहा है. इन द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ व्हाट इज ना अपलिफ्टेड लैंडफॉर्म. ऐसे मुझे तो ये दिख रहा है ना, ये मुझे क्या दिख रहा है, ये ज्यादा अपलिफ्ट है और ये कम अपलिफ्ट है. एंड हियर इट इज व्हाट वी आर एबल टू सी व्हाट लेस अपलिफ्टेड. वी आर एबल टू सी व्हाट दिस रीजन इज एन हाईली अपलिफ्टेड एंड दिस रीजन इज एन, यहां पे ज्यादा ऊपर अपलिफ्टेड होगा लाइक ए माउंटेन. एंड व्हेन आई एम कमिंग इनटू द plain area and then coming into the what is a very gentle plain area, तो वो स्ट्रक्चर वहां पे दिखा रहा. अब इन्होंने तो केवल एक ही लैंड मास को बोल दिया इट हैज बीन अपलिफ्टेड. तो यदि फोर्स जो काम करे लैंड फॉर्म, वो एक ही जगह सारे स्ट्रक्चर को देना चाहिए. होमोजेनस लिथोलॉजी, if it has been said that, and then cycle of evolution is talking about what is in the different region. Cycle of erosion as the river landform we are seeing, it is happening. I said that V-shaped valley कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Mountainous. Oxbow कहाँ पे बन रहा है? Gentle plain. Sorry, I said that river cliff कहाँ बन रहा है? Gentle plain. And then I said that Oxbow Lake formation in the very gentle plain. Yes or no? That the river is forming. And हम लोग किस तरीके से देखते हैं? Yes, tell me. Mountainous. इनका कहने का मतलब है कि it has been uplifted. This region has been, once it is in a V-shaped valley, further this region has been converted into lower landform and then wider valley. Yes or no? So this region has to convert into the same homogeneous lithology. So it has not mentioned in the saying homogeneous mythology, he did didn't mention different region with different slopes. ओके, हम लोग लैंड फॉर्म को किससे पढ़ते हैं ज्यादातर? दिस रीजन इज एन स्टीपर स्लोप, दिस रीजन इज एन व्हाट जेंटल स्लोप, एंड दिस रीजन इज, आई सेड दैट व्हाट, इन्होंने केवल व्हाट एजम्पशन ही हैज टेकन, डिफरेंट रीजन विद एवरी डिफरेंट रीजन इज द सेम अपलिफ्टमेंट. उसी पे आपका कहने का मतलब यही हो रहा है ना कि धीरे धीरे वो लैंड फॉर्म कम हुआ, उस पे फिर वाइडर हुआ. अब जब लैंड फॉर्म कम हो जाएगा तो रिवर ऐसे मूव करेगा. तो इन्होंने बहुत सारी मेजर मिस्टेक्स, यदि लैंड फॉर्म नीचे जाएगा तो फिर रिवर कहां से बनेगा? रिवर शुड बी फॉर्म थ्रू द ग्लेशियर, मेल्टिंग ऑफ ग्लेशियर. यस और नॉट? तो होमोजेनस लिथोलॉजी इन द लार्जर रॉक, हाउ कैन यू से लाइक दिस? पहला तो होमोजेनस, I say that he didn't mention about the different region with different slope, And then I said that in the world over since geological past, different geological activity created heterogeneous lithology in large geographical region comparatively. क्योंकि as I said that यदि मैं जाऊंगा, if I'll go into the Andhra, the Telangana and Andhra and then Chhattisgarh, इसी region में मुझे क्या मिलेगा? धारवाड़ rock. We can be able to see Vindhya rock system. We can be able to see Gondwana. So we can be able to see what is in a different kind of layers. So they cannot be able to say that in the long geological past this has been faced in a what? Several kind of geological activity, and this geological activity created heterogeneous lithology. Their assumptions is again it is supposed to be wrong, and he did not mention the different region with the different slabs. Understood? This complexity. So which are I said that rapid upliftment, erosion starts after the upliftment, and I said that long time crustal stability, and then homogeneous rock. Rapid upliftment and no erosion during the upliftment. Commencement of erosion after the upliftment ends. Long crustal stability. Area should be humid tropics. ये पहले he has taken then humid region, not tropics. Tropics हटा देंगे. I said the area should be what? Humid. That is in a fluvial based. Yes. Area should be. So this assumption is only valid in particular zone. Yes or not? This is only valid in particular zone. इसका मतलब this cycle of erosion, this cycle of landscape development, and this cycle of slope development is only limited to particular zone. Understood? So another criticism for his assumption is that this cycle of erosion, cycle of landscape evolution, and cycle of slope development valid only in particular zone of the earth's surface. Understood? और इससे पहले हमने कई आप लोगों को क्रिटिसिज्म समझाया कि एक्चुअल में दिस साइकिल ऑफ इरोजन इज एन अ काइंड ऑफ व्हाट सेवरल साइकिल ऑफ evolution, and also we have seen that it can create a complexity. Different parts of the world is not facing all the cycle. Yes or no? And then I said that yes, and thereafter I said how the assumptions are going on. I said that Hutton and Darwin. Hutton's ने क्या कहा? Cyclic nature of the Earth's history and uniformitarianism. तो Earth since geological past क्या हो रहा है? Since geological past, Earth is what is na? Having an Earth history is also cycle. I said that Earth has an one cycle. आपने देखा? I said there is a Pangea supercontinent. A supercontinent will what become a present continent as, and they will become again after a certain period they will become a what? Supercontinent. And this supercontinent will again started under the what endogenetic forces become another continent, and then again there will be, I said that, supercontinent. So this is an Earth's history is an what I said that in the form of cycle. Earth's history is an what in the form of cycle, and there is an uniformitarianism means what the force intensity of force is existing in the what geological past, endogenic and exogenic forces they are existing in the present time also. इसका मतलब ये जो इन्होंने अपने को दिखाने की कोशिश किया जो भी लैंड फॉर्म है पहले और आज, he has taken the word from what? He has taken the word of Hutton, and Hutton has said that then the earth has a cyclic history. Yes or not? Cyclic history of the earth, and one of there I said then uniformitarianism. उससे इन्होंने बताया कि अर्थ पे जो हो रहा है आज जो हो रहा है वो पहले भी हुआ है, and it will happen, keep on happening, and then also, and in the past what kind of intensity of endogenetic and exogenic forces are existing, that is also existing now, the same intensity. This is the meaning of uniformitarianism. So he has taken and very try to understand that कि जो मैं आज ऑक्सबो लेक देख रहा हूँ, मियांड्रिंग देख रहा हूँ इस स्टेज में, ऐसे ही वो क्या था पास्ट में भी था, सेम इंटेंसिटी से हो रहा था. अंडरस्टूड इट? अंडरस्टूड इट? सो ही ट्राइड टू प्रूव ही इज what is I said that cycle of erosion, cycle of landscape evolution, cycle of slope development very tactfully with the help of, so ये लिख लेंगे. I said that Hutton's two concept we can see in the form of first cyclic nature of Earth's history, means we can say since geological past tectonic movement keep on happening and oscillating between one supercontinent to a present kind of different continent. One supercontinent to present kind of continent, and present kind of continent to another supercontinent. This approach of Hutton has been supported by present pragmatic theory of sea floor spreading and plate tectonic. And तो हटन्स की ये जो अप्रोच है कि साइक्लिक नेचर ऑफ अर्थ हिस्ट्री, it has been supported. Another I said that uniformitarianism. Another concept of Hutton, uniformitarianism means the intensity with which